Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a middle identifier number using a tracking number. We will begin by understanding the fundamental structure of these unique codes. Tracking numbers are more than just random digits. They are carefully constructed sequences designed to convey specific information about your package's journey. By breaking down their components, you can uncover valuable details about your shipment and its path from sender to recipient. This process involves recognizing common patterns and understanding what each segment represents. Most tracking numbers follow a predictable pattern, often consisting of 10 to 22 alphanumeric characters. These characters are not random, they are organized into distinct sections. For instance, the first few digits might indicate the carrier, while the last few could be a checksum. Understanding these common layouts is your first step in deciphering the information held within the tracking number itself. Each carrier, like FedEx or UPS, employs its own unique system. To find the middle identifier, concentrate on the core sequence of numbers, typically found after any initial carrier codes and before any final checksums. This central portion, often comprising 8 to 12 digits, frequently holds the unique shipment identifier or service type. For example, a 20-digit tracking number might have a middle segment of 10 digits. This segment is crucial for distinguishing one package from another within the same carrier system. Once you have isolated this middle identifier, you can use it for various purposes. This specific sequence of numbers can help you confirm the exact service level, such as express or ground, or even pinpoint the origin facility. To fully understand its meaning, it is often helpful to cross-reference this segment with the carrier's official tracking number documentation. This will provide precise details about what each part of your tracking number signifies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.